Well, that's right. Last week's storm led to more than 14.5 billion gallons of raw sewage flowing from Mexico here into California, continuing to contaminate waters of local communities, including here in Imperial Beach.
It is massive. It's unlike anything we've seen.
This is Imperial Beach Mayor Paloma Aguirre speaking to CBS 8 before heading out to Washington, D.C., where she's now calling on congressional and White House leaders to release more funds to address this ongoing sewage crisis.
To ask not just for additional funding, but also for a state of emergency.
By granting that state of emergency at the state or federal level, more money could be fast-tracked to help solve the crisis.
We need the support of our governor and our president. I cannot re-emphasize that enough.
And the region is getting the support of Governor Newsom. Earlier today, he sent a letter to congressional leaders urging them to approve $310 million in emergency funding that President Biden had earmarked to deal with sewage contamination in the Tijuana River Valley.
I don't see any way to cure it.
William Nixon lived in IB for more than 30 years and is not hopeful anything will ever be done.
No matter what we do, it's not enough. There's always one more thing they need and one more thing they need.
Mayor Aguirre points out this is an environmental, economic, and health crisis and notes a correlation between massive sewage flows like we saw last week with increased rates of illness in the community.
We are monitoring some of our local health clinics, and they're seeing an uptick in gastrointestinal infections.
Too much pain, too much pain.
Longtime resident Tony Moreno says she was a victim even before this latest storm and is just starting to recover.
My God, me, 5 weeks. 5 weeks very really sick.
We all understand that this is a public health ticking time bomb.
And according to the governor's office, the Newsom administration has invested more than $32 million in state funding to help clean up these impacted areas.